coming to the Dairy Zone Limited. I'm paying on card right now, so I'll select product. And what I'm picking is 223. £2, I flash. It just takes a few minutes for the Wi-Fi to use, and then it comes up.
There you go. Comes down.
And then I go to here. And then, because I'm paying on card, I select product. I want a litre, press a litre. And then it'll come £1.50. All I've got to do is scan. And then it just takes a few minutes for the Wi-Fi for the card reader. And then it'll drop the dispense. You have to leave the door open for it when you put your bottle in there, otherwise it won't work. So you always must, when you come here, leave the door open. Yeah, pasteurised, fresh milk. And then when finished, I shut the door, because when it comes out the nozzle, it steams it, so it's clean for the next person, so it's always sterilised. When you buy a bottle from us, this is your bottle for life then. When you come back, always clean your bottle, by all means open it, pay for it, and then you go. There you go, you got your milk.